We are here at Center 7. That card reader is having an error. It's yellow. Apparently there's an elevator in here. No, there is. Looks like a Dover. How exciting. It's relay logic, I can hear it. It's got the bumper too. That's nice. Fully original Dover. All right, down to LL. It says interesting brails. You don't see these brails on a Dover typically. LL seems to be locked. Why do like all these elevators in Wisconsin have their phones removed? It's very strange. Oh yes, it's not a Dover, it's a Northwestern, because we're in Wisconsin. It's a Dover by Northwestern. Anyway. I guess it just is not going to close as soon as I say that. That's it.